3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 3 divided by 3 again equals 1. And 1 divided by 1 gives us just 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which equals PEMDAS, here we have to work from left to right. So 3 divided by 3 gives us 1. So 1 divided by 3 and again divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3. Then divided by 3. Here, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change the division to the multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 1 over 3 divided by 3 can be written as 1 over 3 times 1 over 3, and this is equal to 1 over 9. So our final answer to this problem is 1 divided by 9.